Hi, in this tutorial I would like to tell you how to smooth edges in Inkscape. Okay, so if you want to do it for shapes, I will create here, for example, maybe a rectangle. So I go to rectangle tool and I create here a new rectangle. Like you see, we have here rectangle with blue color and with black stroke. So if you want to make this edge more smooth, we need to go to selector tool and select our object. After that, you need to go to object and fill and stroke. And here on the blur settings, I recommend you to increase this value. My favorite value here is 5, so I will type here 5 and I press enter. And now, like you see, edges on rectangle are smooth. And of course, if you want, you can always increase this value. Everything depends on your preferences, but it is how it works. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to smooth edges in Inkscape, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And that's all. Thank you for watching.